Yeah, it's a picture in time. In fact, the words that you've been, flashing on the screen, a while ago, 90% of them are already old, or not in current, no. So, because it's, as I've said, it's evolving very fast, no. And well, the thing that linguists can do, and I'm not a linguist, no. The thing is to just to describe, no, the phenomenon, no, and the forms, no. I attended a lecture in UP Diliman a long time ago, like 15 years ago, by Professor Jesus Fernandez of the Department of Linguistics of UP, and he pointed out 9 forms, no, of how 9 ways or 9 forms of how a gay lingo word, no, is being developed, no, and an example of that, no, yung paglalapi or using suffixes that doesn't have any grammatical function, like for ano naging anek, no, anek-anek, anek-wabum, and then for balay, balay sung, no. So wala namang meaning yung sung, no, pero yan. Warla, fight, warlalu, no? So, ganyan na, nagde-develop, warlalu, warlales, no? Warlalek, no? So, from war lang naman, na pinagaling war, no? So, yun. So, the evolution, no? So, yan. And there are 9 ways, no, uh, parang how gay lingo words are being developed, no. Again, the role of a linguist, no, is just to describe, no, and not really to prescribe, no, because no one can legislate language.